I think I can survive.
I guess I'm struggling the most here. Are you ready, sir?
Yo. Yo.
You are the Spice King here on.
Yes. Has been the best winner. Has been the best.
Has been the best so far. What's up everyone? Welcome to the Lean Guy Show, the spiciest show of India. My name is Amal and आज है मेरे साथ Mr. Anurag Agarwal. Anurag is an author, he is a business coach, he is a motivational speaker and also a YouTuber. He had been changing game across all the 4 industries and he has been doing just amazing, and everyone in Indian circuit, in entrepreneurship as well as in the business circuit, everyone knows him. So without waiting further ado, let's welcome Mr. Anurag Agarwal.
Oh,
Hi sir. Hi sir, how are you?
I'm doing very well. Thank you so very much.
Are you excited for the show, sir?
Woo!
Oh, wonderful. So, are you really a spice person? Do you eat spice? आप कैसे मतलब आप जनरली खाते हो?
Not at all.
So, मैं जनरली फटाक से आपको एक रूल्स बता देता हूँ गेम का. तो ये हमारे कुछ इंडियन स्पाइस हैं, ये हमारे कुछ बाहर के स्पाइसेस हैं. तो यहाँ से हमारा पूरा लेवल बढ़ता रहेगा. यहाँ से स्कोवल लेवल सबसे कम है. दैट इज द हाईएस्ट वन. दैट इज अराउंड 3,57,000. तो जस्ट टू गिव यू अ डिस्क्लेमर, जो हम घर में मिर्चियाँ खाते हैं, दैट इज रेंजिंग बिटवीन 3,000 to 5,000 and that is 3,57,000. So yes, it's a very steep journey across, and I'm sure you'll be able to kind of motivate people with this spice. तो ज्यादा वेट किए बिना हम लोग शुरू करते हैं सर. फर्स्ट वन हमारा है नागिन इंडियन स्मोकी हॉट सॉस भूल भुलैया. So you can have a dip of this. You can just take one. Take this one.
करना है मुझे.
हाँ, बस आप अपने हिसाब से डिप करना सर. Cheers sir. Cheers.
It's okay.
It's okay. How's it taste?
Well.
Spicy?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, that's just the first one. So, आपने इतने सारे businesses को अपने consulting की, अपने coach किया हुआ है. What is the unexpected lesson that you have learned out of all the business coaches or all the consultation that you have given to all the bigger companies? What is that one common thing that you have learned, or one unexpected lesson that you have learned out of that?
So, unexpected lesson which I've learned while coaching my students, and let me tell you that all my students are not startups, they are grown-ups. Okay. Their age is 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, sometimes 60, 70 also.
Oh, nice.
And they have been into business for the past 20, 30, 40 years. Lala system है, लगा हुआ business है. But they want कि एक next level पे लेके जाना है. Business को they want to take to the next level.
Absolutely.
And for taking their business to next level, they think what they lack is sales, marketing.
Okay.
And only the sales marketing can take them to the next level.
Oh, okay. They think that is the
This
main
is
goal.
what they think. This is where they think that this is the weak area.
Sure.
Whereas the weak area is not sales and marketing. For most people who are running their business without the systems, this is not the weak area. This is what I understood after working with them, and I realized, yes, what they want is to look after their operations. If they come out of the operation, what they're doing, they are going to office morning to evening, even to next day, they are thinking, going to office and think about business only, because they are specified.
Yes.
They are bandua mazdoor of their business.
Yes.
All the time, operations. So they are, if the CEO or the director, managing director is into operations, how will be able to look after the
he will not be able to grow.
He will not be able to grow. He will not be able to look after sales and marketing.
Yes.
So then I realized that first of all, I have to free them from daily operations. Then only the person who is the owner will be able to concentrate on scaling the business instead of going to office and looking after operations. This is an unexpected
lesson. So, are you ready for the next one, sir?
Yo.
Wonderful. Let's get on to the next one. This is Urban Platter का भूत झोलकिया. भूत झोलकिया, you know, like, you know, ये Indian spice है. इसे ghost pepper भी कहते हैं. This originated in Assam, and it is world's one of the hottest peppers.
And this is on number 2 only.
Yeah, I mean, अलग-अलग variants है. ये भी भूत झोलकिया, ये भी भूत झोलकिया. ये सब भूत झोलकिया यहाँ तक.
अच्छा,
But
भूत
अलग
झोलकिया.
भूत झोलकिया.
अच्छा, भूत झोलकिया.
Yes.
भूत झोलकिया.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the traditional name. English में ghost pepper कहते हैं हम इनको.
अच्छा, okay.
So yes, असम वाले लोग बहुत ज्यादा spice खाते हैं.
अच्छा.
And this is world's one of the hottest peppers.
अगर पहला नंबर ये था तो आगे क्या होगा?
But I'm sure sir आप बहुत अच्छा कर लोगे sir.
अच्छा, okay.
Okay. Cheers sir.
Yo.
So this is just the second one. Okay.
The next question.
Yes, the next one is if you could teleport yourself to any moment of your business coaching career, वो कब का होगा and why?
So this took place in 2018 when I had about 80-90 business students, all businessmen, and we had gone for the fun and frolic. We gone for river rafting, scuba diving, and rock climbing, rappelling, and bungee jumping.
Where was
we were together. We went to. We had gone to Bangkok.
Oh, nice.
Okay, we were 80-90 of us, and we had good time together, and we spent about 4-5 days together.
Wow.
So that was the biggest time. That was the best time I had, and we had about 1/3 of the aeroplane
Wow.
dedicated to us. Best time was that I was leading alone. There was nobody, no faculty, no one to assist me, and I was the one who was leading 80-90 of them.
Wow.
This is the best time. You know,
Wow,
when I lead
truly.
80-90 people, I loved it.
I mean, must have been an
I
amazing
take them
time.
out of Delhi, out of country is the best time.
Superb, sir. Superb.
Let's move to the third one.
Third one.
Yo.
This is El Diablo Boot. This is again Bhoot Jalakia, but the brand name is El Diablo. And
El Diablo.
El Diablo.
El Diablo. Okay.
Yeah,
And
this is again Indian
This is
style.
available in Indian market.
Yes,
Indian market.
absolutely.
El Diablo.
These are one of the hottest hot sauces that we have curated for us. And it can't be generally found. I mean, we can't find it very easily.
मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि थर्ड का ये हाल है तो जो last वाले होंगे वो कैसे होंगे?
नहीं सर, आप बहुत अच्छा
कैसे
कर रहे
बात
हो.
सर?
आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो. Cheers, sir.
Yup.
Okay, as per you, which Indian brand do you think?
I had to swallow.
No, you still have powers alive. I'm just telling you.
Let them be there.
Okay.
I think मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरत पड़ेगी.
Okay, so which Indian brand, according to you, has unexpectedly grown enormously? I mean, like, मतलब एक ऐसा Indian brand जिसको आपको लग रहा था कि मतलब you like never anticipated that, but that, like, you know, that kind of busted out and then, you know, or probably.
Byju's.
Byju's.
Absolute Byju's. Though Byju's is not doing well now, but I have seen the journey when they had Shah Rukh Khan, their brand ambassador in 2015. I was not expecting because I remember when Byju's classes were taking place at a seminar hall in ITO, and I was taking my classes at ITO. So the classes were going parallel, and I could see that I had 50 students and he had about 7, 8, 9 students online. The class was going from Bangalore to Delhi, and there were 8, 9 students sitting down. So that's how I came to know about Byju's for the first time in 2009.
And Byju's, Ravindran used to take it?
I don't remember.
Okay.
I was not allowed to go in.
Sure.
But I remember that there is an online class going on 2009. So I remembered this.
Oh, well.
Uske baad, fast forward, I came to know about Byju's in 2015 that he had Shah Rukh Khan as brand ambassador, and by then I had about 10-15 centers, but Byju's had grown enormously, and then I started tracking him, and I found that he became the best unicorn.
Yes.
Though the news are not going good
Right.
for the past 1.5 years
Yes.
in his favor, but Byju's is something I have seen his business growing like anything.
Oh wow.
Number
Wow.
one.
Wow.
Byju's had been number one, लेकिन अब ठीक है.
अब चलता है,
Ups and
हर एक
downs are
phases
all
आते
there.
हैं. Yes. Thank you so much for that, sir. So moving on to the next one. Again, it is NA is the brand. NA का भूत झोलकिया. Again, this is just to give you a disclaimer. This is the purest, rawest form of hot sauce that you can find in India. मतलब
Purest and rawest.
जैसे चटनी बनाते हैं ना घर में.
Okay.
बस मिर्ची को पीस दिया.
मिर्ची को डाला.
That's it.
Okay.
Cheers, sir. Okay. If you could swap roles with one of the recent entrepreneurs, कौन होगा and why? Recent one. आपके
Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani, richest man of Asia. I would like to swap, and is building his Antilla.
Yes.
27 story, beautiful house he has, and how many helicopters, how many aeroplanes he has.
Yes.
Obviously, I would like to swap with Mukesh Ambani.
Moving on to the next one. This is the typical Tabasco, but ये Tabasco का original authentic वाला नहीं है. This is the Scorpion Tabasco hot sauce. So this is coming from US, and ये generally लोग सब
The fifth one now.
the fifth one now. Fifth one now. So cheers.
Cheers.
इसको बट आई जस्ट टू टेल यू, सारे इंडियन के टेस्ट आपको बहुत पसंद आएंगे, बट बियॉन्ड दिस लेवल, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो इंडियन बाय द वे, बट रेस्ट ऑफ देम आर नॉट फ्रॉम इंडिया, आपको बाहर वाले के सॉसेस के टेस्ट आपको इतना मजा आएगा नहीं. ओके सर, यू हैव बीन फैसिलिटेटेड एज बेस्ट international business coach of the year in 2018. You have also been facilitated as India's best motivational speaker.
Oh, बहुत कुछ रिसर्च कर रखा है मेरे.
Having got so many awards, you know, which is the most nearest and dearest one to you? Like
The one you are mentioning about?
Yeah.
The best coach, the business coach I got in 2018,
Yes.
December, was and has been the best one.
Okay.
Undoubtedly, undisputedly.
And I guess you got it from Sonam Kapoor.
Sonam Kapoor
Oh, nice.
was and has been the best one. till date.
Okay, so are you ready for the next one, sir?
Yes.
Okay,
Very
so
much.
The next one is हमारा Sprig का भूत झुलकिया, and this is the hottest hot sauce that you can find in India. This is 75,000 Scoville level, and India का hottest. We're gonna taste now. But potato bites के साथ ना और अलग मजा है.
Cheers.
Cheers, sir. Wow. Okay, so with the growing use of social media,
मैंने इसको टच नहीं किया अभी तक. हाँ.
that's the best part. Yes, अभी भी पावर सारी alive हैं. So आपके Facebook में 7 लाख फॉलोअर्स हैं, आपके Instagram में 4 लाख फॉलोअर्स हैं, आपके YouTube में 4.7 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं, एंड बड़े-बड़े जो यूट्यूबर्स हैं, ये इंस्टाग्रामर्स हैं, दे आर नॉट एबल टू क्रैक दिस कोड. लाइक यू नो, हाउ डू दे ग्रो? दे हैव बीन ट्राइंग सिंस लास्ट 10 years, 15 years, they are still not able to crack the code. And you're just right there changing the game for everyone. All the youngsters वो बाहर नाच रहे हैं, they are going somewhere, and all of that, you know, these people are doing. But it seems like you have just decoded it. So what is that you think worked out in your favor, which is not working out for the other people's favor?
Hamisha, all those people have been looking into. Oh, Anurag has 48 lakh subscribers. He has 500,000 subscribers on Instagram. About going to be 1 million subscribers on Facebook. और मैं क्या देखता हूँ, यार उसके 10 मिलियन है, उसके 20 है, उसके 40 है. Yes, there is no doubt. I'm very happy at this age when there is nobody by my age who's having so much of fame, name, identity. It's a feather in my cap. कि इस एज में आकर, when people do not want to see anyone who's over 25 years, they want to see youngsters, teenagers, and I am, who's going to be 60 in few days from now, has about 48 lakh subscribers. Absolutely, I'm very delighted, very happy, and every day I remind myself, every day when I get up, I said, wow, I have 48 lakh subscribers.
So yeah, so you have
7th one now.
7th one you have already crossed.
Now we are going to the
6th one we have already crossed, which was the hottest hot sauce of India.
Yes.
Now we are on to the next one. This is called Zombie Apocalypse.
Ooh.
This is like Apocalypse, but इसका टेस्ट एकदम अलग लगेगा आपको.
Okay.
So yeah, moving on to the next one. Zombie Apocalypse hot sauce. मैं तो टिप कर देता हूँ. Are you ready, sir?
Yo.
बिल्कुल टेस्ट अच्छा लगेगा आपको। Okay.
Wait for a sec. Not touch anything. Okay. Go ahead.
What's the most common misconception about starting a business that you have encountered, and how do you address it? जो जनरली लोगों का एक मिसकंसेप्शन होता है बिजनेस शुरू में, आई एम जस्ट फकिंग फंबलिंग. What is the general misconception?
I fumbled 10 times so far.
So what is the general misconception that you have encountered जो जनरली लोग बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने से पहले सोचते हैं कि यार मैं इसलिए नहीं शुरू करूंगा बिकॉज उन्होंने एक चीज ख्याल अपने दिमाग में पाल लिया है, which is generally not true.
Yes, I want to tell this to everyone. The biggest mistake people do today, they think that they must have employees, and I always tell them,
I'm taking it, sorry.
Okay, so I'm the winner. That shows that I'm the winner.
Yeah, I mean you're better than me. You're better than me in this price.
I have not touched this.
Yeah, which is good.
Yeah, okay. So the major misconception people have today is they think that they must have employees, whereas I tell everyone, if they are starting a business, they must not have employees. They must not rent out a place. No brick and mortar. घर से स्टार्ट करो, डोंट पे एनी रेंटल, हैव नो एम्प्लॉय. जो भी करो कुछ ऐसा करो जिससे आपके एक्सपेंस जो है वो कम से कम हो.
Okay, moving on to the next one, the bomb को Beyond Insanity hot sauce.
Okay, I'm having it. Okay.
Oh.
I've survived. I think I can survive.
I guess I'm struggling the most here. Sir, you have such a vast experience. पक्का कोई ना कोई ऐसा funny incident हुआ होगा आपका public.
Actually नहीं है इसके अंदर. I think.
Sir. Yes. In 23 years of experience that you have, can you share one of the funny incident that has happened जो अभी भी आपको सोच के ही आपको इतना मजा आ जाता है?
One of the funniest part was I was driving down the road and a policeman stopped me. My speed was about 70, whereas the speed had to be below 60. The policeman stopped me, the traffic policeman, and कहता sir speed was 60 and you are on 65, 80 or 68 or 70. ओके यार, कहता है लेकिन चलिए कोई बात नहीं, यू आर एल्डरली मैन और आप कर रहे हो तो प्लीज टेक केयर कि ऐसी गलती ना हो. तो आई सेड ओके, थैंक यू सो वेरी मच, लेट मी गो आउट, लेट मी गो. सो नेक्स्ट डे सेम रोड, सेम कार, सेम policeman, and my speed was not 70, it was 80.
Wow.
They caught me. They were not one of them, they were 5, 6, 7 of them. They caught me. And जैसे वो policeman सामने आया, he was exactly the same one who met me yesterday.
It was in Delhi.
Delhi,
Wow.
Ring Road.
Okay.
Near ITO. कुछ साल पहले, कोविड से पहले की बात है ये. So he approached me and इससे पहले आता मैं समझ चुका था I'm gone. आज के लिए भी गया मैं और कल के लिए भी गया मैं. दोनों के दोनों ये अब नहीं छोड़ने वाला. The moment he came to me with a big smile on his face, मैं शीशा नीचे का, मैंने कहा ऑफिसर आई एम वेरी सॉरी, आपने कल मुझे छोड़ा था और लुक एट मी, मैंने फिर वही मिस्टेक बिल्कुल वैसे की. कहते सर आप ज़्यादा दिल को ले रहे हो. मैंने कहा ऑफिसर अगर मैं ऐसे करूंगा, आई एम 55 टुडे, मुझ जैसे लोग अगर ऐसे करेंगे तो फिर बाकी जवान लोगों का क्या होगा. आपने कभी जाने. कहता आप ज़्यादा दिल में लगा रहे हो. देखो ऐसा होता है कि कई बारी हाईवे होता है, स्पीड बढ़ जाती है. सर कोई बात नहीं, आप जाइए, बस ख्याल रखिएगा आगे से गलती ना.
सर आपने वहां पे इतनी तगड़ी एक्टिंग.
It was not acting. But what I've learned from Dale Carnegie कि अगर गलती है ना
एक्सेप्ट कर लो,
उसको एक्सेप्ट करो vehemently, strongly, vociferously. This what I did. मैंने कहा सर ऑफिसर आपने कल ही मुझे कहा था कि सर आप दिल को लगा रहे हो यार, आप चिंता मत करो, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाता है ना सर.
और वो नर्वस हो गया होगा.
नहीं नर्वस नहीं था वो नर्वस क्यों होगा. बट जैसे वो किया है ना, I said, thank you, Dale Carnegie. You gave me the way that whenever you are wrong, admit your mistake quickly and emphatically. That was very funny. It has been 5 years now. I have not forgotten that incident. And I was sharing with him also.
Wow.
हम लोग शेयर कर रहे थे इस बात को लेकर के.
Wow.
It was very funny. कि जैसे मैंने कहा सर ऑफिसर मेरी गलती है, कल आपने मुझे पकड़ा था इसी ओवर स्पीडिंग के लिए. सर आप दिल से कहा रहे हो, सर हो जाता है ना, हाईवे हो जाता है. अब टेस्ट दिस और आपने कहा कि अगर ये हो गया तो बाकी दोनों
आप इजीली सर्वाइव कर लोगे बिकॉज
देयर हैव यूज्ड ओनली वन हेल्पलाइन.
I should say that you are doing wonderful, sir. At your age, I should not say that. You're way younger than us, but at your age, you are just kind of cracking this. Okay, so are you ready for the next one, sir?
Yup.
So moving into the next one, this is Bravado Ka Anko Masala. Second last, we have almost climbed the mountain. Cheers, sir.
Cheers.
You're waiting for my expression.
Yeah.
So ironically, I do this hosting every now and then, and मेरे को spice. I'm not a spice person. But I'm doing the spice show. This is just an irony. So sometimes, life gives you lemon, so you might just add vodka to it. So this is what's happening.
I'm giving you lemon. You're making
The vodka out of it, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
The life is giving you lemon. You are making not lemonade. We are making vodka.
Vodka, yes.
Okay.
That is much better.
Okay.
How's this? How's the taste?
आपने को ले लिया तो नाइट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी टफ, लेकिन ठीक है.
Okay, so there are a lot of.
मैं इसको टेस्ट कर सकता हूँ ना? Okay.
I mean, for you, exceptions are allowed, sir.
Also, you cannot. It's an exception. You cannot
Yes.
taste more than once.
Oh yeah, once you have taken, you cannot take it again.
Oh, अच्छा, ठीक है. Let's have the competition.
Yeah.
I'm not going to taste this.
Okay.
ठीक है, चलो.
So generally, sir, अभी के time पे, I mean, you're seeing there's a lot of talk about anxiety, depression, and people are not getting motivated to start their businesses or maybe whatever they wish to do. So, what is the message that you want to tell it to the people, who are generally in that phase जहाँ पे they don't know how do I start, or maybe they're not getting motivation, or they are in anxiety या फिर डर में है कि यार क्या करूँगा, कैसे करूँगा.
ये मैसेज ना हम लोग को गीता से बहुत अच्छा मिलता है. आई एम वेरी सॉरी, मुझे ये एक श्लोक जो है मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. श्लोक शायद 3rd अध्याय का है एंड इट्स अबाउट 21st and 22nd वर्स. न मे पार्थास्ति कर्तव्यम त्रिषु लोकेषु किंचन नान वाप्यम वर्तेम च कर्मणि यदि यम न वर्तेम जातु कर्मे स्थितंता मम वर्तानु वर्तन्ते मनुष्य पार्थ सर्वशः. न मे न मुझे हे पार्थ कर्तव्यम, मुझे कोई कर्तव्य नहीं है. त्रिषु लोकेषु किंचन, तीनों की तीनों लोकों में कार्य करने की मुझे कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं कृष्ण हूं. हजारों लाखों सालों से मैं कार्य कर रहा था, कर रहा हूं, करता रहूंगा. जब बिना किसी कर्तव्य की, आवश्यकता के, ड्यूटी के, इच्छा के, अगर मैं हजारों लाखों करोड़ों अरबों साल से कार्य कर रहा था, कर रहा हूं, करता रहूंगा, तो हे मनुष्य, तुझे ज्यादा से ज्यादा मैंने 100 वर्षों के लिए पृथ्वी भेजा है, अपना कर्म क्यों नहीं करता? नाइकी क्या कहती है? जस्ट डू इट. आपको फेलियर्स तो मिलेंगे, हर हालत में फेलियर्स आपको मिलेंगे. आप जाओ, फेलियर्स मिलेंगे, अपने आप को बताओ. वही मैंने आपको कहा है, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट मच अमाउंट, नॉट गोइंग टू हैव ब्रिक एंड मोर्टार, डोंट हैव एनी एम्प्लॉय. घर से स्टार्ट करो, खुद स्टार्ट करो, खुद धक्के खाओ. रात को जब जॉब से वापस आओ, उसके बाद सोचो कि ऑनलाइन से ऑफलाइन से कहाँ मैं घर पे जाके, घरों पे, ऑफिस में जाके, या सैटरडे संडे को जो मुझे मिलता है वहां से जाके अपने बिजनेस को मैं कुछ लेवल पे लेके आऊँ. 2000 रुपये का प्रॉफिट चाहिए. 2 का 4 हो जाएगा, 4 का 6 हो जाएगा, 6 का 10 होगा, 15 होगा, 20 होगा, 30 होगा, 40 होगा, हो जाएगा. लगे रहो, जैसे नाइकी कहती है, जस्ट डू इट. करो, कर्म करते रहोगे, हो जाएगा. एक दिन मैं ये करूंगा, एक दिन मैं वो करूंगा, एक दिन तो मैं ये करूंगा. सोचते रहो, कुछ नहीं होने वाला सोचने से. By watching videos, there are many people who have been watching videos. By watching videos, you are not going to be getting anything.
Thank you for that. I'm sure कि audience में जो लोग struggle कर रहे हैं अभी के टाइम पे, not getting the vision कि वो start कैसे करें, definitely this will
Start करो.
Absolutely. Are you ready for the next one, sir?
Yes.
Wow, such a spice person you are, sir. Okay, so this one is Mad Dog 357.
Okay.
Cheers, sir.
Cheers.
Okay, put around your eyes, sir. Sir, आंखों में नहीं.
हैंकरचीफ तो यूज कर सकता हूँ ना मैं?
हाँ. बस उसमें सॉस ना लग जाए, उसको आंख में लगाना. Okay. So, sir, you have been a lot of people's guru. आप इतने सारे लोगों को ट्रेन करते हो. They look up to you, and you have been doing this since last 23 years. Who had been your guru, or maybe a role model of yours जिनको आप follow करते हो? जिसके
My role models had been, I told you, Dale Carnegie is one of them. I learned from them.
Sir, this is it. We have climbed the spice journey.
And who has won? How many points do you give me on 10?
I must say, the first statement that you made before the show, that you're not a spice person, I guess you should check that off. Because you definitely
That means I win.
You definitely win.
Yo.
You are amazing, sir, in terms of spice.
Woo.
And at this age, fuck. What do you have to tell to the people, your audience, my audience?
About the spices or the business or the
Your-
last message?
Any message?
Last message which I want to give to audience, your audience or my audience is try to make good relations, be happier, not to criticize people, not to condemn people, not to condemn them at their back. Have good relations with people. Do not criticize, condemn and complain. I've not been fighting with anyone. I never fight for the past 15 years. I try not to fight. I try not to criticize. I try not to condemn. And I'm living a very peaceful, very happy life. I make friends. I have abundance of friends with me. मैं किसी भी दुश्मन को अपना दुश्मन आता हूँ सेकंड्स में मेरे बहुत दोस्त हैं मेरे मैं किसी लड़ाई नहीं करता.
Thank you for calling me as a friend as well, sir.
We are making very good friends.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you so much for being on the show. It was indeed a wonderful experience together. It was indeed a wonderful experience, and I must say again, you are the Spice King here on. Yes.
Has been the best winner. Has been the best.
Has been the best so far. Has been the best
guest?
so far. Yes, absolutely.
Okay,
Because
okay,
the way you started and the way you ended, that's a different thing. Thank you so much, sir, once again.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.
And for you guys, thank you so much. Keep watching the Lean Guy Show, and we'll get back another time with new episodes with these spices. Thank you so much. Sayonara. Woo!